Meteorologist Chris Haddings here once again. We have an update on the ongoing winter storm. Also some hazards spreading east of the divide. We'll take a look at that in a few minutes as this thing moves forward. And we'll start taking a look at the winter storm watches and warnings. Warnings across much of the western mountains. Have an advisory up as well. Du Bois area down toward Crowheart, also around the Big Piney area. 3 to 6 inches likely in the areas shaded in purple. Pink areas, maybe up to 2 feet in the mountains. You can see that here. Highest amounts, Tetons over toward the Salt and Wyoming range. Highest elevations of the wind rears as well, maybe up to a foot around the Jackson Valley as well as the Star Valley. Another threat we're going to be looking at, though, is going to be wind. Take a look at that. As you can see, high wind watches basically Rattlesnake Range up through Natrona County. This includes Casper, as well as across the Cody foothills. This will be mainly around Clark. It won't quite get into Cody as far as maximum wind gusts. Again, wind-prone areas up around Clark. You could see gusts maybe 60, 70 miles per hour here. Big threat to travel probably in this area if you're going, say, on 2026. Also around the Alcova area, there'll be some very gusty winds in this area, 287 as well. Gusts at 50, 60 miles per hour. And also across the mountains with some blowing and drifting snow. And as far as any impacts across the area travel, again, snow moving into the west tonight, around much of Wyoming, off and on pretty much through Saturday. Interstate 8 will be impacted tonight through Saturday morning, especially from Rock Springs onto the west. And travel over many of the passes, Teton, Togany, Salt Pass, as well as South Pass could become difficult due to snow and blowing snow. And again, we got to watch out for maybe some difficult travel across Natrona County as well. As far as snowfall amounts, up to a foot across some of the western valleys, 2 feet across the higher elevations, especially the Salt Range as well as the Wyoming Range and the Tetons. And as far as wind and visibility, gusts to maybe 30, 40 miles per hour across the passes. Highest winds, again, west of Cody around the Clark area, as well as across the Rattlesnake Range up through Natrona County, gusts to 60, maybe 60 to 65 miles per hour as we head toward Clark. Stay safe this weekend. Have a good day.